Hi, guys. There are certain things that should never come out of a woman's mouth. I don't care how mad she is or what the situation is. My parents always used to say, if you want to find out how someone truly feels about you, make them mad and the truth will follow. With that being said, if a woman says any of the following, no matter what the circumstance is, it's time to seriously reevaluate things. Oh, and I'm also giving a trigger warning for all the guys watching. Some of these might hit a nerve for you. Number one, man up. Number two, you don't make enough money. Number three, my ex did blank better. Number four, that's weak. Number five, real men don't do that. Number six, why can't you be more like blank? Number seven, you're wasting your time on that. Number eight, we need to talk. Number nine, you need to grow up. Number 10, I don't need you. Number 11, never mind, I'll do it myself. Number 12, you're smarter than that. Number 13, you're overreacting. Number 14, you don't know how to do that. Number 15, do you know how much I sacrificed for you? Number 16, you're such a liar. Number 17, are you even trying? Number 18, you're lucky to have me. Number 19, you're just lazy. Number 20, I've lost all respect for you. Number 21, all men are the same anyway. Number 22, I mean, your job isn't that hard. Number 23, I told you so. Number 24, you're just not good in bed. Number 25, your friend blank is so handsome. Number 26, you're being too sensitive. Number 27, I don't care what you think. Number 28, you just don't make me happy anymore. Number 29, you could do so much better than that. Number 30, I mean, he's just a friend. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.